My son's tutor pulled me aside one afternoon and told me something that made every protective instinct I had ignite immediately. My name is Nina. I am 38 years old, and my ex-husband Derek and I have been in a custody battle for 2 years. We share a 9-year-old son named Leo, and from the start, Derek made it clear he intended to win full custody at any cost. He hired an aggressive attorney, filed motion after motion, and made completely fabricated allegations about my parenting that were deeply hurtful to read. Leo spent alternating weeks with each of us, and I always made sure he never once heard me speak badly about Derek. I enrolled Leo in tutoring sessions with a woman named Carol to help him manage the stress the divorce was having on his schoolwork. Carol had been working with Leo for 4 months, and I trusted her completely because Leo responded well to her patient, steady approach. One Tuesday, she asked me to stay after the session ended and closed the door before saying anything at all to me. She looked genuinely uncomfortable and told me she needed to share something she felt she could no longer stay quiet about any longer. During their sessions, Leo had started rehearsing specific phrases out loud, repeating them like script lines while Carol watched with growing concern. He told her his dad had been practicing these phrases with him every night during his weeks staying at Derek's house across town. The phrases were court-relevant statements that I forgot to feed him, left him alone at night, and yelled at him constantly. Carol said Leo told her directly that his dad said the judge needed to hear these things so they could all live together. She had written down every phrase Leo repeated and kept dated notes going back 6 weeks before she finally approached me. I sat completely still for a long moment, thanked Carol quietly, then drove home shaking the entire way back to my house. I called my attorney that same evening, and she told me Carol's documented notes could be extremely significant in our custody proceeding. With Carol's consent, my attorney had her formally document everything in a sworn written statement submitted directly to the family court. The court appointed an independent child psychologist to meet with Leo privately and assess whether any coaching had taken place at home. After 3 sessions, the psychologist confirmed Leo had been given scripted language inconsistent with natural childhood memory or genuine personal expression. The judge reviewed the full findings alongside Carol's notes and ordered a complete guardian ad litem investigation into Derek's conduct immediately. Derek's custody was modified to supervised visitation pending the investigation outcome, effective immediately following that court session that same afternoon. Leo is now in therapy, slowly unlearning the anxiety that came from being placed in adult conflict by someone he deeply trusted.